Here are 5 English phrases you can use today. Say them out loud with me. First one, could you help me with this? Polite and professional. Say, could you help me with this? Good. Number 2, I look into that and get back to you. Buys you time. Say, I'll look into that and get back to you. Well done. Number 3, thank you so much for your help. Warm and genuine. Say, thank you so much for your help. Perfect. Number 4, have a great rest of your day. Friendly send off. Say, have a great rest of your day. Number 5, I look forward to hearing from you. Another friendly send off and a perfect email closer. Say, I look forward to hearing from you. Nicely said. Perfect. Now, save this. New phrases every day. Subscribe. And don't forget, practice makes perfect. Say these out loud every day. The more you use them, the more natural your English will sound. Take care.